Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Iqbal bin Yusri and my matrix number is 08DPR22F1023. So today I'm gonna show you tutorial how to install a doorknob. So first step is your tools and materials should be gathered, which is doorknob set and tools is screwdriver. And one more thing for your information, doorknob have 3 types, which is dual lock, self lock and mortise lock. So today we use a self lock doorknob. And let's continue for second step. Second step is the latch should be installed at the part that goes into the door frame with screw and using screwdriver. Like this, and a strap plate have already installed and no need to install again. And one more thing, this should align properly between a latch and a strap plate. Align properly. And let's move into for third step. Third step is the interior doorknob should be put using the pin provided by doorknob set. The part of interior like this and exterior like this, and we pull like this and we pull. Okay. So let's move the another step. After that, the exterior doorknob should be inserted into the hole in the door from the outside, like this, ensuring it aligns with the latch, like this. Next, the interior doorknob should be inserted into the hole from the inside and aligned with the exterior knob. Both knobs should be secure in place with screw using screwdriver. Second, last step, it should be ensure that the latch retracts and stands properly when the knob is turned. Also, it should be checked that the door latches securely when closed. Install the doorknob is done. This is all the process of install the doorknob. I hope you can install it by yourself and without the help of your parents, because it's easy and simple. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.